Oak Street Health's NP Fellowship Program helps new graduates gain experience and build confidence in their new careers.
The program was built out of a need to have a homegrown workforce, an opportunity for us to make sure that we were providing the training, support, and resourcing needed for new graduates to have a successful transition to practice. The fellowship is designed through 3 elements to bring that level of support and structure to our fellows. So the first is precepting, so that our fellows have the support of experienced clinicians when they are in clinic seeing patients. We also have didactic learning, so that our fellows can continue to build upon what they learned in school. And third is our advising portion, which is when they have the opportunity to connect with our experienced faculty members. You have a cohort of people who are going through and experiencing the same things that you are. And that's a level of support and camaraderie that is really important as you navigate your first challenging moments with patients.
I always have team members, colleagues, and senior leaders available to me at any point. We have an open door policy where I can go and ask for advice and feedback, and it is well received.
There's so many opportunities for growth here at Oak Street for advanced practice providers like nurse practitioners. They can be center medical directors, senior medical directors, and long into the future, we hope that they continue to grow into those roles. I spent 10 years working in the fee-for-service model before coming to Oak Street, and now that I've experienced the care that we provide, I don't think I could ever go back to doing care the way that I did it before coming to Oak Street.
We're sure that with the right support, people who are committed to doing this work are able to thrive. And I'm so fortunate to be part of an organization who feels the need to invest in the people who want to do that work.